Unoi lam kaliang persya yang dorba thawan ke jela Meghalaya uba Roni Vilingdo MLA ke Meliam constituency ulaong bakum ke parti ke aya ke Kyrshan hakawede ke jingaki ke Voice of the People's Party Thung kam Biang ya laingot ke Ophisar ke Meghalaya Lokayukta ki bala sya weng kam no dangshen Habakran sigilat pathai kubor hakan no phai singi joka khat khandai teri ukul lalengkot araja alpusau uba Roni Vilingdo ulaong balada don kanu ka mat ka bakta ya ke jela ke parti kan aya ke Kyrshan.
You see, and I think if you remember, or I'd like to remind you, the Lokayukta was set up during the Congress MUA government to ensure that there is transparency, there is the rule of law, and ensure that people can air their grievances to the Lokayukta. We implement it. We ensure that we have the Lokayukta.
No, what about the protest of the VPP? Do you support it?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Yeah, we support. If there's any issue concerning the interests of the state, we will always be with any party or any group that fights for justice. Nyay. We are talking about justice here. Nyay Yatra, Bharat Joro Nyay Yatra. We yet to get the exact reason why they were removed. We will have to find out why they were removed, because even members of the Lokayukta are human beings after all. Maybe they must have done something. We will find out. And if there was no reason, if for no reason they were removed, then we will also insist that they be reinstated. But we have to find out.